Today we're going to be making some inside out chocolate chip cookies. I have made these before. I will remember to leave this recipe down in the description box down below. I'm going to try to get to these and try to get to some peanut butter cookies so I can just have some dough, some cookie dough in the freezer. So I'm going to get started with all the ingredients. So I'm going to be adding about a half a cup of unsalted butter. That's what it calls for. A half a cup of sugar, a half a cup of either light or dark brown sugar, 1 large egg at room temperature, 1 teaspoon of pure vanilla, 1 cup of all-purpose flour, half a cup and 2 tablespoons of unsweetened cocoa powder, a teaspoon of baking soda, an eighth of a teaspoon of salt, a tablespoon of milk, and then your white chocolate chips. These are a staple in our household. We really enjoy these. They're not that sweet at all, which I do really like. And yeah, that's pretty much all I did. Now, these ones I cooked up, but with the peanut butter ones that you're going to see next, I cooked up some and then I froze the rest in the freezer. You can keep them frozen for about, 2 or 3 months, probably longer than that if you seal them correctly. And they don't last that long. They're like gone in like the next week or two because these cookies go fast. I always try to make my cookies and pastries, cakes, everything from scratch. I just think it's a lot better. It's not as healthy for you, because it's sweet, but you know what's going into the ingredients. So I really do enjoy that. I hope you guys are really enjoying me making my recipe videos again. I stopped for a long while, but I'm going to start them back up again. I mean, I'm always in the kitchen, right? So I might as well just take out the camera and film me cooking, doing whatever, a little cleaning. So I hope you guys enjoy that. Also, if you guys are not subscribed to the channel, please hit that subscribe button. And if you like these types of videos, hit the like button because that will push out my videos for other people to see my content. Yeah, I was struggling right here. Oh my goodness, because this dough is so thick and sticky. And this dough, technically, you are supposed to store it in the refrigerator for about 3 hours. I normally do it for either 30 minutes to an hour. That's all I normally do. So I'm going to stop talking here and I'm going to let you guys enjoy the video. I will also link both of these recipes down in the description box down below. Back on here really quickly. I've learned my lesson cracking eggs over your actual recipe. So I always take it in a glass and I crack it there just because I might get a shell in there. I don't even know. I always have a difficulty time. Also right there, I wanted to tell you, if you're using peanut butter, spray whatever you're using because your peanut butter will come off so good, like butter. You will not have a problem getting that peanut butter off. So yeah, I'm making the peanut butter cookies here and then I'm going to freeze half of the batch and cook half of the other batch.
Oh,